Hi everybody, I'm GiGi of GiGi Eats Celebrities, and I'm finally back in the damn kitchen, everybody. I know, it's taken me forever to get back in this kitchen. And that's because, well, honestly, I've been cooking something else in my uterus, so I don't really feel the need to be in the kitchen cooking things. That's gonna be my excuse. That being said, I actually did cook myself dinner the other night, and I had this amazing idea for a recipe for GiGi Eats Celebrities, so that is what I'm gonna make for you all today. Now, it includes sweet potatoes and my air fryer, and now I'm sure you're all thinking, okay, sweet potato chips or sweet potato fries. Well, guess what? I'm gonna go above and beyond your imagination because good God, what I have in store for all of you today sounds amazing in my brain. Now, as you guys might remember, I never make any of my recipes before making them on camera for all of you, so I really don't know how this is gonna turn out, but we'll see. I have high expectations, yeah, woo woo! Anyways, I think I need to grab my air fryer and get this recipe going. So since all of you followed along as I made this recipe, can you guess what I just created? No takers? You don't know? Cinnamon crumb cake nachos using sweet potatoes. That's right, guys. I just blew your mind because I blew mine too. I came up with this recipe in my brain the other day and I just thought it was gonna be so good, and well, I'm about to see if it's so good. Ooh yeah, it's got a lot of crumb on it. I'm sorry, that just turned into a food porn video. So I don't know if you guys noticed, but I freaking hated this. This was disgusting. This was a fail recipe. This was just utter garbage, which is why I'm gonna go in for another bite. Oh my God, it's so good. Oh my gosh. So clearly my saying that this is disgusting was totally sarcastic because this quite possibly may be the best sweets recipe I have ever made on GiGi Eats Celebrities. Ever. That's right, guys. That's a bold statement, but I am standing behind it, just like I'm standing behind this plate, ready to eat the rest of it. I also feel like I've got some crumbs in my teeth, and you know what? I don't care. Now, one thing you guys might actually be curious about is the cereal I put on top of my cinnamon crumb cake nachos. This company is a new company and it's launching in October, and it's called the Cereal School. And it is a grain-free, sugar-free, dairy-free, vegan cereal made out of pea protein. And holy hot damn, does it taste exactly like Cinnamon Toast Crunch, I kid you not. It is stupid delicious, and it adds just an extra crunch to this amazing platter I have right here in front of you. Now, the yellow cake mix I used to make this recipe as well is actually from Keto Queen Creations, and this is a cake mix that's only comprised of coconut flour, erythritol, and baking soda. That's it. Which is why I can chow down happily on it. Oh yes, and you know I'm going to. However, last but not least, we have this awesome syrup called Chalk Zero. It's an honest syrup and it's sugar-free. It has 30 calories per tablespoon and it's maple flavor. Now, how this syrup gets its sweetness is from monk fruit extract, and I will have a video explaining exactly what monk fruit extract is in the very near future. But to give you the short right now, it's very healthy for you, and it's got no calories, and it does nothing to your blood sugar, so guess what? Yep, going in for another bite. It is so crunchy, which actually reminds me that I need to give a huge shout out to GoWise air fryers, the best air fryer on the face of the planet. And if you guys have never tried an air fryer before, well, you are missing out because you can't create this awesomeness right here. So I have a link in the description below as to where you can find a GoWise, as well as all of the other ingredients that I just told you about. So yeah, you're gonna wanna jump on that because this, as I said before, best recipe I've ever made, hands down, bar none. Can't even compete with anything else. That's it. My brain is a genius, my mouth is happy. And yeah, I'm just gonna have to say goodbye now because I need to finish this plate. I don't want you guys to be jealous as I polish this off without sharing. So thank you all so much for watching. I do hope you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, let me know in the comments below if you're happy to see me back in the kitchen creating recipes. And do tell me what recipes you'd like me to recreate in the kitchen healthier. All right, see you guys next week. Bye. Oh man, I made her a masterpiece. Crunchy goodness.